All right, so this is a 1969 Ward's Compact 7. Just pulled it out of the garage. It has been sitting for a year since the last show, and I'm getting it out to take it to the show. Will it start? Let's find out. So I've already choked it. I have not started it. I literally just pushed it out of that hole up there. So, will she start? First pull. She used to start on first pull. Of course, it's got gas that's a year old in it too. Second pull. Now she's going to be cantankerous. But she did start on the second pull.